starting Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learner's Book 4. Exercise 2.2, which is time and timetable. First question. Hidi went to her friend's house. She arrived at 2 p.m. and left at 2:40 p.m. 2:45 p.m. How long was Hidi at her friend's house? So 2 p.m. to 2:45 p.m. It means she was staying 45 minutes. The swimming pool opens at 8 a.m. It closes at 6 p.m. How long is the pool open? So 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Here is a 4 hour, and 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. here is a 6 hour, right? So our answer will be 10 hours. Question 3. The time is 9:25 a.m. Haibo says the time is close to 9, then to 10. Well, here is an important thing. 9 and 9:25 difference is, let's say we can write in another color, 9 to 9:25 difference 25 minutes, but 9:25 to 10 difference is 35 minutes. So 35 is greater than 25 minutes. That's why 9 is closer, right? So 9:25 is closer to 9. The statement is correct. We can say the answer like answer 25 is less than 35. It's close to, or if you want you can more describe. I can write in here, this is the question 3. Distance to 9, 25 minutes. Distance to 10, 35 minutes. Distance means time is 9, or we can say 9:25 to 9 difference is 25 minutes, and 9:25 to 10 difference is 20 minutes, 35 minutes. 35 is larger than 25, so 9:25 is closer to 9. Very simple. Question 4. There are opening times of museum. Monday closed, Tuesday to Friday, 10:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. So what is the timing in here? We can write in right side 7 hours. 7 hours, right? 7 hours. How? 10:30 to 12. Here is a 1 and 30 minutes. And 12 p.m. to 5:30. Here is a 5 hour 30 minute. So total 30 minute 1 hour, 5 and 1 6 plus 1 7 hours. Saturday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So 9 to 12 3, 3 to 6, it means 9 hours. Sunday, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. 11 to 12, it's a 1 hour, and 4 p.m. another 4 hours, so 5 hours. Okay, very simple. Now our target. How many hours is the museum open on Wednesday? So Tuesday to Friday is in between Wednesday, so it is 7 hours. Genia arrived at museum 3:15 p.m. on Sunday. Sunday, it's up to 4 p.m. How long could she stay before closing time? So here is a 3:15 and up to 4, it's only 45 minutes. Okay. Number 5. Number 5, here is a mention. Here is a part of bus timetable from Dondala to Bodmin. This is a schedule. Our first question, how many minutes does it takes 1302 bus from Dondala to reach Bodmin? So this is a 1302 and reach Bodmin will be 1353. Magadha is a breeze town at 1 p.m. What is the earliest time she can reach Tirham? Check your answer with your partner. So Magadha breeze town, and here is a 1 p.m. and earliest time. So 1 p.m. she can take 1311. 1311 is equals to 1:11 p.m. So if arrive at 1 p.m., she can easily catch 1:11 p.m. bus, and then the earliest time will be 13:17. 13:17, or we can say 1:17 p.m. So no more today. Thank you very much for being with me. This video, we are starting exercise 2.2 of Unit 2, Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 4. Next video, we will come by Math 6. And I hope that day we can cover or complete exercise 2.22. So please subscribe my channel. I hope you will learn lots of things from this channel, and share with me what kinds of math you need every day. Thank you.